For many people, the dream of financial independence often revolves around the idea of leaving behind the 9-to-5 grind and building a lifestyle that offers both freedom and security. Waking up without an alarm clock, spending more time with family, traveling when you want, or working on passion projects instead of being chained to a desk. That's the vision countless employees carry with them each day. But achieving this lifestyle doesn't happen overnight. Financial independence is built slowly through smart financial decisions, disciplined saving, and strategic investing. One of the most effective and accessible tools for this journey is investing in exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Unlike individual stocks, which can rise and fall dramatically based on one company's performance, ETFs spread your money across dozens or even thousands of companies. This diversification lowers risk, gives you broad exposure to entire markets or industries, and allows you to benefit from long-term economic growth without needing to become a full-time stock picker. What makes ETFs particularly powerful for aspiring early retirees is their ability to combine capital appreciation, your money growing over time, with passive income generation through dividends. A carefully chosen set of ETFs can serve two purposes. 1. Wealth accumulation, helping your portfolio grow faster than inflation so you can build a sizable nest egg. 2. Income replacement, paying you dividends and distributions regularly, which can eventually substitute for your salary. Imagine this. Instead of trading your time for a paycheck, your investments send money directly to your account every month. Over time, that stream of income can grow large enough to cover your expenses, effectively making your 9-to-5 job optional. This is why many investors today are turning to ETFs as the backbone of their financial independence strategy. In this video, we'll explore 7 carefully selected ETFs that can help you quit your 9-to-5 job and live life on your own terms. Each ETF offers something different, whether it's steady dividends, exposure to global growth, inflation protection through real estate, or high monthly income. By combining them, you can create a balanced portfolio that not only grows in value but also generates the reliable cash flow you'll need once you step away from traditional employment. Welcome to WealthEchelon, your go-to spot for smart investing, in-depth ETF insights, and book reviews that help you build wealth. On this channel, we explore everything from the best investment strategies to the latest trends in ETFs, and provide valuable takeaways from books that can transform your financial journey. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, our goal is to give you the knowledge you need to make informed decisions and grow your wealth. If you're ready to elevate your financial game, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the bell for updates on all our latest content. Why ETFs can replace your salary. Before diving into the list, it's important to understand why ETFs are powerful vehicles for building wealth. Unlike individual stocks, ETFs represent baskets of securities, which can include hundreds of companies across different industries and countries. This diversification lowers the risk of catastrophic losses while providing steady returns over time. Many ETFs are designed to pay dividends, quarterly or monthly, which means they can generate a passive income stream. For someone looking to replace their paycheck, this is essential. Imagine if your investments paid you $2,000, $3,000, or even $5,000 per month. Suddenly, your job would feel optional rather than mandatory. The key lies in choosing the right ETFs, reinvesting dividends until your portfolio grows large enough, and eventually transitioning from reinvestment to withdrawal mode. 1. SCHD, Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF. If you're serious about creating passive income, SCHD deserves a top spot on your list. This ETF focuses on high-quality U.S. companies with a proven track record of paying and growing dividends. With an expense ratio of just 0.06%, it's one of the most cost-effective ways to build a dividend portfolio. SCHD typically yields around 3 to 4%, which means a $500,000 investment could pay you $15,000 to $20,000 annually, enough to cover living expenses in many regions. What makes SCHD powerful is its focus on sustainability. It doesn't just chase high yields, but instead selects companies with strong fundamentals, ensuring long-term stability. This ETF is ideal for anyone looking to replace a salary with consistent growing income. 2. VTI, Vanguard Total Stock Market, ETF. VTI is a one-stop shop for total U.S. market exposure. With over 4,000 holdings, it represents everything from small startups to mega-cap giants like Apple and Microsoft. While VTI isn't specifically a dividend-focused ETF, its combination of growth and modest income makes it a wealth-building powerhouse. Over time, VTI has delivered an average annual return of around 10%, making it an essential core holding for anyone aiming to quit their 9-to-5 job. For early-stage investors, VTI is perfect because it prioritizes growth. Your portfolio will expand faster. Later, as your balance grows, you can pair VTI with dividend-heavy ETFs like SCHD to balance income and growth. Think of VTI as the engine that accelerates your journey to financial independence. 3. VOO, Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. If you believe in the power of America's largest companies, VOO is a no-brainer. Tracking the S&P 500 index, this ETF holds 500 of the biggest and most profitable U.S. companies, including Apple, Amazon, Tesla, and Johnson & Johnson. Historically, the S&P 500 has delivered around 10% annual returns over the long term, making VOO a fantastic growth ETF. Unlike VTI, which includes small and mid-cap stocks, VOO focuses exclusively on large-cap companies, stable, profitable, and widely followed. While its dividend yield is modest, about 1.3%, the growth potential is what makes it attractive. For someone planning to retire early, VOO can serve as the backbone of their portfolio, driving compounding growth and providing a base to later convert into income-focused strategies. 4. JEPI, JP Morgan Equity, Premium Income ETF. Now let's shift gears toward ETFs designed to generate immediate, high levels of income. JEPI is unique because it combines dividend stocks with option strategies to generate a high yield, often around 7 to 9%. This makes it an attractive choice for those who want cash flow sooner rather than later. While the growth potential is more limited compared to VOO or VTI, JEPI is an income machine. If your goal is to quit your job in the near future, JEPI can help bridge the gap by providing monthly distributions. For example, a $300,000 investment could pay you over $20,000 annually. The trade-off is less long-term growth, but if your priority is cash flow, JEPI is an excellent choice. 5. VXUS, Vanguard Total International Stock ETF. Most investors tend to focus only on the U.S. market, but true financial independence requires diversification across the globe. VXUS gives you exposure to over 7,000 international companies from both developed and emerging markets. While international markets have underperformed compared to the U.S. in recent years, the potential for long-term growth and diversification is significant. Think of it this way: if the U.S. economy slows down, international exposure can balance your portfolio and protect your income stream. Additionally, many international companies pay healthy dividends, which can supplement your income. VXUS ensures that your future isn't tied to just one economy, a crucial factor for long-term freedom. 6. VNQ, Vanguard Real Estate ETF. Real estate has long been a cornerstone of wealth building, and VNQ allows you to tap into this sector without buying physical properties. This ETF invests in real estate investment trusts, REITs, which own income-producing assets like office buildings, shopping malls, and apartment complexes. REITs are required by law to distribute most of their income to shareholders, which makes VNQ a strong dividend-paying ETF with yields often around 3 to 4%. Beyond the yield, real estate also provides a hedge against inflation. Rents and property values tend to rise with inflation, protecting your purchasing power. VNQ can serve as a critical piece of your quit-work strategy by giving you exposure to consistent rental income without the hassle of being a landlord. 7. QYLD, Global X NASDAQ 100 Covered Call ETF. For investors who want maximum income, QYLD is worth considering. This ETF writes covered call options on the NASDAQ 100, generating substantial monthly income. The yield can often exceed 10%, which is incredibly attractive for anyone seeking to replace a paycheck. However, the trade-off is that QYLD sacrifices long-term growth potential because the covered call strategy caps upside gains. This ETF works best for investors who are either near retirement or already financially independent and want to maximize cash flow. If you want to quit your job soon and live off income, QYLD can help provide that monthly stability. It's not the best for growing wealth quickly, but it can be part of a balanced strategy when combined with growth ETFs like VTI or VOO. Building a strategy around these ETFs. Owning these 7 ETFs isn't just about throwing money into the market, it's about creating a strategy that balances growth and income. In the early stages of your journey, growth ETFs like VTI and VOO should dominate your portfolio, as they'll help you build wealth faster. As your portfolio grows closer to the level where it can sustain your expenses, you can gradually shift into income-oriented ETFs like SCHD, JEPI, VNQ, and QYLD. This transition ensures that by the time you're ready to quit your job, your portfolio not only has enough value, but also produces steady cash flow. A practical example, let's say you need $40,000 per year to cover your expenses. At a 4% withdrawal rate, you'd need $1 million invested. That million could be spread across growth ETFs, VTI, VOO, VXUS, and income ETFs, SCHD, JEPI, VNQ, QYLD. The growth ETFs ensure your money continues to grow even in retirement, while the income ETFs generate the dividends you'll live on. With this structure, your financial freedom becomes sustainable, not just temporary. The psychological shift from paycheck to portfolio. Quitting your 9-to-5 job isn't only a financial transition, it's a psychological one. For years, you've probably relied on your paycheck for stability. Moving from a salary to portfolio income requires trust in your investments and discipline in your spending. ETFs are powerful tools because they take the guesswork out of investing. You're not betting on one company, but rather entire markets. This makes it easier to rely on them as your primary income source. The key is patience. Reinvest dividends for as long as possible. Let compounding work its magic, and shift to withdrawals only when your portfolio is large enough to sustain you comfortably. Final thoughts. The dream of quitting your 9-to-5 job isn't reserved for the ultra-rich. With the right mix of growth and income ETFs, anyone can build a path to financial independence. The 7 ETFs, SCHD, VTI, VOO, JEPI, VXUS, VNQ, and QYLD, cover all the bases: growth, dividends, international diversification, real estate, and high-income strategies. By combining them strategically and investing consistently, you can create a portfolio that not only replaces your paycheck, but also provides long-term security. Remember, the journey will take time, but every dollar invested brings you closer to freedom. Eventually, the day will come when you no longer need to clock in at 9 and leave at 5, because your portfolio is working harder than you ever could. That's the power of ETFs, and that's the path to financial independence. Thank you for watching Wealth Echelon. We hope you found valuable insights that will help you on your investing journey. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Keep building your wealth, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more investing tips, ETF strategies, and book reviews to continue growing your financial knowledge.